It's a clip. It's exactly like this one. You're gonna slide it up, and you're gonna put some pliers here, and then it's gonna come out like that. What's up, guys? It's Rayo with another video. I got this sensor today for P06DE on a 2018 Malibu. I'm making this video because they never show you how to take the clip off the connector, actually, the hardest thing. So I took my time for you guys. This is not the sensor that goes underneath, like in the oil pan. This is the other one, the one that goes in the oil pan. If you need a video for this, let me know. It's actually easier than this one. So the tools are pretty simple. You need this thing. Here are the sizes, if you actually need the sizes. To take the actual sensor. See? To remove the connector, you will do it from the top, but then to replace the actual sensor, you want to get underneath. Not that you need to, you might be able to actually do it from the top, but just make sure you want to get an extension. Right here, I'm on the bottom. Can't really see. That's where the plug goes. Actually, do it by hand. Once you get it loose, you can just unscrew it. We are putting it in. You can do it with your hand. Just spin it. Put the sensor in. Once it's in, then you want to use your actual socket like that. Once it's in, you want to just make sure it's tight. Pretty simple. Once that's in, we're gonna put this thing back on, just like that. Clear the switch. Then you wanna pull this out. You see? And there we have it. And there you guys see the connector from the top. I can't really use my hands to record, but I'm gonna show you the example with this other connector, which is the same. It's a clip. It's exactly like this one. You're gonna slide it up. You're gonna try to grab the wire with one hand, and you're gonna put some pliers here and squeeze it a little bit, not too much, but make sure it's firm, and then it's gonna come out like that. There you go. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I did this video for everyone. Nobody on YouTube has that posted, so that's my gift for you, for the world.